Any student that wants to get into the manufacturing world just doesn't have to go to school for a skilled trade. It could be for other trades as well within the company.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.
Dearing Compressor has two sides of our business. We have our engineered packages, which are mostly oil and gas industry. So what is behind us is a natural gas compressor that'll go out into the field. We also have our distributed packages, which are a distributor for Gardner Denver equipment that goes in other companies' businesses that will essentially operate some of their equipment, such as conveyor belts, with the compressed air systems. We have a great benefits package that we offer to our employees, starting with a competitive wage. We have a safe manufacturing environment. It's clean. We have a one-shift operation, so our hourly workforce works from 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. If they're working overtime, they may work till 4:30, but essentially they're leaving early in the day to get home to their families. We also offer generous medical, dental, life insurance, disability, and 401k. And then we also have uniforms that we give employees. We do company-sponsored benefits like our company golf outing. We partner with the Cavelli Center and we raffle off tickets to concerts at the amphitheater and at the Cavelli Center. And then we have a lot of on-the-job training here. So when people come into Dearing, their skill base might be entry level, but then by the time they're here for 5 years, they're already an experienced person in whatever department they decide to go into.
What are the challenges in hiring in the manufacturing environment right now?
The challenges currently are that all of the skilled workers are currently working. They work for our partners, our vendors, our customers, and we don't want to take away from our partners their people. So trying to find other people in skilled trades are within the schools, the trade schools, TCCTC, CCCTC, MCCTC, and not all of those students are interested in going into the manufacturing world. So we need to bring them into our facility, give them tours, make them aware of what kind of positions that we have here at Dearing. Students at the trade schools and high school levels that can get into a trade, that can work in a safe, modern manufacturing environment like we have here at Dearing, is a great benefit to those students. They can have a long-term relationship if they put in the work for it, put in the time for it. They can work with many different tools. We have some employees here that started in high school as a welder and have moved up to some of our top paid welders. Some other ones who started in welding but then ended up in a different career path, so from welding to warehouse or welding to a administrative position. There's so many opportunities, not just within the actual skilled trades where you're getting your hands dirty. There's other things as well, like accounting, supply chain, logistics, HR, and any student that wants to get into the manufacturing world just doesn't have to go to school for a skilled trade. It could be for other trades as well within the company.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.